We are demonstrate nitrite test kit. AQUASOL AE207 test kit is used to check nitrite in cooling water and added nitrite sample. The kit contains reagents NTH1, NTH2, test jar and syringe. Take 1 ml of sample in the test jar by using syringe. And dilute to 10 ml with distilled water or nitrite free water. Then add 2 drops of reagent NTH1 and mix well. To estimate the value of nitrite, we will add reagent NTH2 dropwise. Count the number of drops while mixing until the color change from red to pale blue. Number of drops of NTH2 reagent multiplied by 50 is the nitrate of the water.